Hello guys, welcome back. In the last video we have learnt about what is market, definition of market and activities which are performed in the market. In this video we are going to learn about two important concepts and which are what is a stock and what is share. Let me explain these concepts to you with an example. ABC is a company and I am owner of that company. My company is going on a good pace and we are in the profit mode. All the profits and losses belong to me. Also, all the assets and liabilities belong to me because I am the single owner of that company. You are my friend and you want to invest some amount in my company. For example, you want to invest 10 lakhs in my company. I explain to you each and every conditions of profit and the losses and other factors which can affect the company's performance, and you get agreed on investing your 10 lakhs in my company. In return, I give you some certificates which proves that you have invested in my company. So these certificates are called stocks. Whenever an investor invests in any of the company gives certificates in return, and those certificates are called stock certificates or share certificates. For example, if you are buying 100 shares of any company, then you become a stockholder of that company and company gives you certificates of those 100 shares to you, and those 100 share certificates jointly called stocks. Now let's understand what is share. A share is a small, equal and unique part of the company. For example, you can see in this diagram, this is the company. If we divide this company in equal part, then each unique part is called share. So this is a share, and if you buy this share, you become a partial owner of that company, and company gives an authority certificate, and that certificate is called stock. In other words, you could say that if the capital of the company is divided with equal part, then each unique equal part is called share. For example, if we consider company's total capital is 100 and we divide this company in equal 100 parts, then each equal part would be considered as share. So whenever you are buying a company's shares, you become a partial owner of that company's or that company's shares, and company issues a certificate to you, and those certificates are called stocks, stock certificates or share certificates. So in this video we have learned about what is stocks and what is shares. In the next video we'll come up with the new topic and we'll learn the new thing. So keep watching, keep learning. Thank you very much.